What's going on YouTube? Nicholas here with Tech Love TV, where we don't discriminate and we believe all tech deserves some love.
Want to see some love? It's Love Day. I'm showing people love out here on the court.
So today I do have another speaker from Tribit. So they sent me their X Sound Go and they also sent me this StormBox. And this StormBox right here, it comes in two different colors. You have a black version, which I don't have, but the color is black on the box. And then you also have a blue version, and I do have the blue version right here. And as you can see from the website, the black version on the Tribit website is going for $56. But if you go over to Amazon, you will notice that this black version is going for $60. Now, the blue version on the website is going for $67. And if you go over to Amazon, the blue version is actually going for $65. So the black version is cheaper on the Tribit website, but the blue version is cheaper on Amazon. So depending on your flavor, depending on what you like, I would suggest maybe going to the cheapest website to get what you want. But as always, I'll have the links in the description down below to the Amazon site. Full disclosure, if you click on my link in my description, I do get a small commission fee if you make a purchase. That helps fund this channel. Very quickly, going around this box for the Tribit StormBox portable wireless speaker. On the back side, Bluetooth version 4.2, driver size 2x 45 millimeter, 2x passive radiator, output power 2x 12 watts. You got your signal to noise ratio, frequency response. Your battery is a 2600 milliamp hour battery. Music play time up to 20 hours. Then that depends on the volume level of the music that you're playing to. Charge time is 4 hours. Input direct current 5 volt 2 amps, and the weight is about 545 grams. Very light. This is IPX7, which I will get to in a little bit. It says waterproof X-based speakerphone, long battery life, and superior sound. And on the inside, what you'll get, you do have a user manual which shows a blue, black, and red version. The red version is not available online, and I didn't find the red version on Amazon as well, but the red version is kind of sweet. You have a thank you card, UNICEF $1 something, I'm not sure about that, and another thank you card here as well. Go ahead and put those to the side. And here you have the StormBox speaker in blue. I really like the blue, it really pops. I love royal blue colors on any tech items, just to let you know. And then also inside of this box, you will get your micro USB charging cable. I believe it is micro USB. Yep, it is a micro USB charging cable. And that is it, ladies and gentlemen. That's everything that comes with the whole unboxing experience. Going around this speaker, I mean, is pretty familiar looking to one of the JBL speakers that is also just like this with the 360 surround, but you have your big power button and your volume up, your volume down button. I also believe that the volume up and the volume down doubles as track forward and track back, which I'll get to as well. You have your Tribit badge on the top side. This is one of the subs right here, and then also another sub on the bottom side. On the back of it, you know what? I don't think this is a power button. We'll get into the button functions when I turn this on. I only say that because on the back side, you do have a power button, your Bluetooth button, and your X bass button. And underneath this waterproof cap right here, you have your charging port, and you also have an aux jack as well. And you also have a strap up top right here if you want to hook this to a carabiner and hook it to your backpack or any type of strap, or just to carry it just like this. So that's pretty much it for the design, the build. It has a very nice feel. Oh yeah, let me compare it to the X Sound Go right here in a size comparison. It's not that much bigger in length, and the width is not that much bigger either. Difference in price for the X Sound Go, you'll pay around $35 to $38 depending on if you get the black or the blue color. So that is a difference of maybe close to around $30. Depending on which one you get, you'll get a better battery life with this one, but you do have a better sound with this one. This is not a comparison video. I'm just using this as reference. With that being said, let's go ahead and power this on and let's hear how this sounds. So to pair this to your phone or your any mobile device, what you want to do is just turn the power button on the back side. You'll see the lights flash up and it'll automatically go into Bluetooth pairing mode if it's not already connected to a mobile device. And then you just hit Tribit StormBox and now it's connected just like that. You do have your battery indicator lights on the back side as well. There's 4 indicator lights, so I'm guessing each one stands for 25%. And then you have your X bass button, and I'll try that out when we get to playing some music. So I said this earlier that this was the power button, but this is not the power button. This might just be your play pause button. So let me go ahead and play some music and see how this speaker actually sounds. Okay, so that volume is around 25%. And the volume up. Hold it down. Volume up. It sounds pretty good. And this is your pause button, so excuse me for what I said earlier that this was your power button. It's not. This is your pause button. Nice pause button in front. I really like that. And this sounds pretty good. Let me go ahead and cut it on again. So I was thinking that maybe that the volume up and volume down would double as your track forward and track back, like I said before, but I didn't read the manual, so I was just going off of women just guessing that that's what it was for, but it does not do that. So it's just simply playing pause and volume up and volume down. Okay, so what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to do kind of like a sound comparison between the X Sound Go and the Tribit StormBox. And so let's just see. I do have both of these paired to my device, so I just want to see if both of these could be paired to a device and play music depending on which one I go off of. So if I hit play on the StormBox, it plays the music. Now if I hit play on the X Sound Go, also connected, it plays the music. Can I play at the same time? No, I cannot play them at the same time. So you can have both devices hooked up to your mobile device, but you cannot have it in stereo because they are different speakers. I do believe that you can get, hold on, let me double check, 360 sound design. The 360 sound design is what makes it give you a louder sound than just the X Sound Go, which only has one front facing speaker. I think there's actually 3 speakers inside of here, but it's only front facing, so you're not gonna get that same type of room filling sound. X-Bass technology, dual passive radios work together with all around sound to enhance every beat, giving bass a boost. I did try that X Sound boost button on the back, but I didn't notice a difference. So I don't know. IPX7, like I said before, and this is what I said, this wireless daisy chain, so you can actually hook up 2 of these to your mobile device. For this, if you have the same speaker, hook up 2 of these and you can use them in stereo. So that's exactly what I wanted to show you. Let me go ahead and go back to the music and let's get back to this sound test. So I'm going to press play on the X Sound Go and turn it up all the way. All the way. And yeah, man, it just doesn't compare. I mean, by itself, you would think that this sounds pretty good. And actually, it does sound pretty good by itself. But this is just where it's at. I will happily pay $30 more to get the sound out of here. So if you are watching this video and you are looking for one of these Tribit speakers to go ahead and purchase, I would definitely pick this one up over the X Sound Go, just because this one sounds a lot better and it looks a lot nicer. So with that being said, the sound quality on here, you're going to get a very good sound quality. In my opinion, for my ears, you're going to get that good bass, you're going to get clear highs. The mid-tones were pretty good as well. I'm not really an audiophile, so my version, so my description of sound quality is just, is it loud? Is it clear? Is it distorted? That's pretty much my spectrum of sound when it comes to speakers. And it's pretty good when it comes to all those. It's loud, it's clear, the bass thumps, and it doesn't get distorted when I turn it all the way up. So this thing is definitely a winner. But with that being said, we have one more thing to test out, and that is the IPX7 rating. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get some water in here. Okay, so we do have a bowl of water, and we are going to test out the waterproof rating. So I'm gonna go ahead and hit play. Oh, the water's bouncing out. You can hear the sound, it's still coming out. I mean, it's been underwater for about 30 seconds, so it's good. Thumping underwater, taking it out of the water with money. It's still working. Turn that down a little bit. Let me get this cleaned up real quick. The IPX7 waterproof rating, it works just like it says it would. And so that's pretty much it, man. This is the Tribit StormBox. Like I said, this comes in a blue and black, and depending on where you get it, whether it's from the Tribit website or the Amazon website, you'll be paying anywhere in between about $55 to $65. And I do think it's worth to pick this one up over the X-Sound Go, simply because the sound is just that much better over the X-Sound Go, but it's not too much bigger to be inconvenienced by the size. So anyways, that's what I got. As always, if this is your first time here, go ahead and smash that subscribe button down below, and don't forget, hit that bell icon so you get notifications on when I drop my latest tech videos. As always, thanks for stopping by the Tech Love channel. My name is Nicholas, and I'm out. Peace.